Did you know that you can read and write Excel files in Node-red without writing a single line of code? So today we are going to learn this. To read and write Excel files in the Node-red, you need to have two types of nodes in your palette. The first one is this one, that is node-red-contrib-excel. You can download it from the Manage palette. And the second one is this, that is node-red-contrib-spreadsheet-in. This is the name you can see here. Now, for reading Excel files, you need to first connect the read file node where you have to put the path of the file you want to read. So I have given the path of D drive book to Excel. Let's see what we have in this. So this is the data. Then I have connected book. So inside this, you need to change this to a single buffer object. By default, it will be here. You need to select this one. So where I got to know that the book node needs input as a buffer object. So here, if you click on this, you can see that the input of this node is a buffer object. So we need to convert our input to buffer. And there is no setting in this node. After that, you need to write the sheet name that you want to read. So my sheet name is sheet 1. Done. And then now we need to convert our Excel sheet to the JSON to display data on the dashboard. And then I have connected a table which is here in my dashboard. So let's edit our data and then read it. Save, inject. You see that all the data is here. And there is no setting in the table node also. Just you need to connect the JSON object to this. Now coming to writing Excel file. So inside the function node, I have created message.payload as an array which contains objects. And objects have values of name, age, and city. So this is how you write the data, or you can read some other Excel file and write into this Excel file directly, but it needs to be a JSON array. And then you should connect this node where you have to write path and name of the Excel file. So currently, I don't have any book3 file in my D drive, as you can see. Now, if I inject, you see a book3 where I have all the data. So hope you understood that how we can read and write Excel files in the Notepad. In the next lecture, in the coming lectures, we'll see how to write PDFs and read PDF files. So that's it for this video. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.